in the back doors. Niggas getting mad at the suicide doors. Suicide, suicide, suicide. Ride or die, ride or die, ride or die. Suicide, suicide, suicide. Ride or die, ride or die, ride or die.
So, nice little look at the height right now. It ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. But today we're gonna be installing these Ultimo Racelands. I got the red Racelands, I'm on the regular one. This shit right now, though, you know, this is blown. I think a year and a half, year and a half, two, maybe. But everything's here. The top mounts are already there, so that saves my life a lot. Got my corn milk going for my Caribbeans. I know what that is. We're gonna see how fast we get these done. Got all my tools right here. Get shit poppin'.
Yeah, pull up, hop out, I feel good. Niggas hating as they should. Wing in the back doors. Niggas getting mad at the suicide doors. Suicide, suicide, suicide. Ride or die, ride or die, ride or die. Suicide, suicide, suicide. Ride or die, ride or die, ride or die.
Alright, and now all you have to do is take out the 216s. You don't have to pull this all down. I just moved out the way. Pull out the way, take out the 216s. This is a 21, and you have to take out this 18 from this side. The 18 right there. You have to hold the wrench right here. And then once you do that, it's out. Butter. Easy. Pop this out, the trail arm drops down, this drops down, comes straight out, and you put in the new ones. The other side I have actually maxed out this all the way up, and it's just about right. So we're gonna see how it goes when both sides is leveled out and low. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, and the top for this is a 17, and the top for that is a 16. So just have those ready too. Alright, and once you get both of them out, well, the one shock out, you have to pop off this little cover, flathead, just pop it off this cover, pop off the 16, and take this and transfer it to the new one, which the top is the 17. And run it, run it. No, you can't run the stock boot and bump stop, it's not gonna work. So it's on there just like that. If you don't have a gun, what you can do is put an Allen key in here and use a wrench. This will hold the strap from spinning, and then you go tighten it. If you never knew that, once I do this, you knew that. Ah, dropped it. Run it. Shock it back on. And slap everything back together. The coil, if you didn't know, you leave the bottom in, which is a little holder right there. You take the top bushing out, and this sits in the top by itself like that. And then the flat side of the spring, sits like this. A flat side, perch, the coil perch up here. Sorry about the strap. Coil perch up here, and that's how it goes in the car. And zip tie your dust boot so you know stays clean. So, like I said, I got the coil all the way max to low. You see that in there? Let's see how this should look now. Everything clear. You can do That's not bad.
That's Gucci.
Yeah, that should look good, my boy. Look at that. That's perfect. That's perfect. Let's see how those are set down. Got you. Yeah, you said nice now, boy. Bad. You said nice now. Damn, they're perfect. You feel me? Come to EuroSpec. We got you the fitment goals. Look at that shit. Look at that. Like, all right, so now we on the front. The easiest way would be to take the rotor off, which I'm gonna probably do it this time. If I don't use my other method was put a jack between, well, on top of that point right there, and under the strut and pry it out. So what you're gonna need is either I think it's an 18 or 19 for this nut that holds in the strut, a 10 for the brake line, 13 for the top, and an 18 for this one right here. But you have to use a 7 to hold the while you loosen it, or else it'll just keep spinning. Besides that, you're done. It's out. Like I said, I might try to drop the rotor on this one just to make my life a little bit easier. I'm not dropping nobody's axles. The day I got to drop axles to do coilovers, bro, I'm telling you, it's over for that car. So let's get it done. This is the last side. Shit's looking so good.